Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to complete your Summer AI online activity on the CyberSquare platform. First, log into your CyberSquare platform by entering your username and password. After logging in, click on My Course. Here you will see the Summer AI online activity. Click on View to open. This course contains 2 activities. You need to complete both activities to successfully finish the Summer AI course. Let's begin with Activity 1. Before you start, read all the instructions carefully. After completing the project in Activity 1, take a screenshot of your completed project. You will need to upload this screenshot as proof of completion. To upload it, click on the Attach File option and select your screenshot. Let's start. The first Google Silda contains all the details you need, including the instructions and reference materials. Please go through them carefully. Next, answer each multiple-choice question. Read the question carefully. Select the correct answer. Click Submit. Then move on to the next question. Continue this process until you have answered and submitted all the questions. Once you have finished Activity 1, proceed to Activity 2 and complete it in the same way. Don't forget to upload the screenshot of the project you created using the Attach File option. That's it. Happy learning and thank you for watching.